Searching for the perfect keyboard? Your journey ends here with the Keychron K10 QMK V2. This keyboard isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. With new switch options, you can choose the feel that's just right for you. Prefer a clicky sound or something quieter? It's got you covered. But wait, there's more. Customize every key with web-based software. Yep, no more downloading complicated programs. Change layouts, create macros, and make it truly yours in a snap. Need flexibility? The K10 QMK V2 supports both wired and wireless connections. Plus, it's hot swappable, so you can switch out keys without any soldering. Whether you're typing up reports, gaming, or coding, this keyboard gives you the power to do it all. Built with a durable aluminum frame, it's designed to last and look good while doing it. So, why settle for ordinary? Upgrade to the Keychron K10 QMK V2 and type like never before.